How to quickly and easily restore cleanliness to the car interior. Introducing Vitano Foam Cleaner. This is the perfect solution for caring for your car. This is a highly effective tool for removing stains and dirt from car upholstery, fabrics, carpet coverings. Freshness, cleanliness, perfect appearance. Your car deserves it every day. This is what the interior looks like after daily trips. Dust and general pollution from prolonged use. And sand and scuffed shoe marks are visible on the mats. Fabric seats with stains from food and drinks. Instead of looking for a dry cleaner, wasting time and money, you can quickly and easily restore perfect order in your car or home and get a result no worse than professional cleaning. Now we will show you how to use this product correctly. Shake the can thoroughly before use. This activates the foam and guarantees maximum efficiency. Spray the cleaner evenly. You will immediately see a thick, dense foam that begins to act from the first seconds. Use the brush that comes with the kit. After cleaning, rinse off the remaining product with a damp cloth or sponge to remove the remaining foam along with the dissolved dirt. The result is instant. The fabric is clean without stains. The color is saturated. The aroma is fresh and pleasant. We recommend treating the entire upholstery and not just individual stains. Rub the active substance into the upholstery with a brush. It is ideal for delicate but effective cleaning of the fabric. Let's get to the rugs. The foam is activated even more by mechanical action, and the brush helps to pull out dirt from deep within. The next rug. We take our foam cleaner, shake the can, and spray it on the surface. You literally see how the dirt dissolves right before your eyes. The rug that was gray, dusty, and dirty a few minutes ago now looks like new. And now let's get to this fabric upholstery. We take our product and shake it well. Let's move on to the next upholstery. Here is the result. The salon is like new. Not a single stain. Not a trace of dust or sand. Freshness, cleanliness, and tidiness in every detail. All this thanks to Vitano Foam Cleaner. It works 100%. Simple, fast, and effective. A renewed look, a pleasant aroma. That's what you will get with Vitano Foam Cleaner.